Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. So in previous video we already discussed about the how to find out the trigonometric functions for 60 degree and 30 degree. So today we are going to discuss about for 45 degree. To find out the trigonometric functions for 45 degree, we have to take a right angle triangle with two equal sides. That means isosceles triangle. So here we take a triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degree and AB and BC are the equal sides. Triangle ABC is isosceles right angle triangle where angle B is equal to 90 degree. If angle sides AB and BC is equal, then angle A and angle C is equal and it will be the 45 degree. So AB is equal to BC is equal to A. So now we know the angle B and AB and BC. Now we have to find out the length of AC. From the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length of AC and it will become root 2A. And angle C is 45 degree. If we take the angle C, opposite angle is AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent and AC is the hypotenuse. So now we apply the trigonometric formula for sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is equal to A and hypotenuse is root 2A. So A cancel. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root. Then cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is A and hypotenuse is root 2A. So it will become 1 by root 2. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is A, adjacent side is A, and it will become 1. So therefore cot 45 degree is reciprocal of tan 45 degree, then it will become 1. And sec 45 degree is reciprocal of cos 45 degree and it will become root 2. And cosec 45 degree, it is the reciprocal of sine 45 degree, it will become root 2. So these are the trigonometric functions for 45 degrees. Thank you.